Have you ever wondered if nature holds the secret to spicing up your love life? For centuries, plants have been praised for their mystical and medicinal properties. Some even thought to spark romance and passion. Today, you'll learn about 10 plants that have been linked to enhancing desire, boosting mood, and reigniting intimacy. Let's explore the leafy side of love. Number 1. Mandrake and aubergines. Starting with history's romantics, mandrakes and aubergines, or eggplants, were once believed to possess aphrodisiac qualities, thanks to their resemblance to certain body parts. While there's no scientific proof they'll set the mood, they might just spark a laugh and a lighthearted conversation. And hey, a little humor never hurt romance. Number 2. Mondia whitei, white ginger. Native to sub-Saharan Africa, Mondia whitei is celebrated for its ability to boost appetite, digestion, and other appetites. Studies on rats suggest it may improve sperm motility, hinting it's a potential for human benefits. If nothing else, its sweet aroma might make it worth a try. Number 3. Nutmeg. Who knew this humble spice could have such spicy potential? Research on rats revealed that nutmeg significantly enhanced their libido. While human studies are lacking, sprinkling a little nutmeg in your dessert might set the stage for a romantic evening. Number 4. Tribulus terrestris. Known as land caltrops, Tribulus terrestris has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Research shows it can increase testosterone levels in rats, but its impact on humans remains uncertain. Still, it's a popular ingredient in many herbal supplements for men. Number 5. Ginseng. Ginseng has a long history in Chinese medicine as a remedy for low energy and intimacy issues. Modern studies suggest it may positively impact erectile tissue in both men and women. If nothing else, its invigorating properties could give you the energy to enjoy quality time together. Number 6. Horny goatweed. The name says it all. Discovered by a Chinese goat herder, this plant's effects on aged rats has been promising. Though more human studies are needed, it remains a popular natural supplement. Number 7. Saffron. The luxurious saffron crocus doesn't just add color to dishes, it has been studied for its ability to counteract sexual dysfunction caused by antidepressants. A little saffron in your dinner could be the golden touch your evening needs. Number 8. Psychopetalum, potency wood. Found in Brazil, psychopetalum, also known as potency wood, has a reputation for enhancing desire and reducing stress. Though its effects are more anecdotal than proven, its intriguing nickname keeps it in the spotlight. Number 9. Chocolate, Theobroma cacao. Long associated with romance, chocolate contains compounds that can elevate mood. While a study found no direct link between chocolate and sexual satisfaction, the act of sharing chocolate with a loved one might just create the magic moment you're looking for. Number 10. Maca root. Grown high in the Andes, maca has been shown to improve sexual desire and performance in some studies. Its nutty flavor might be an acquired taste, but its potential benefits make it worth a try. Nature's pharmacy is full of surprises, and these 10 plants prove that a touch of green might just add a little more passion to your life. Do you plan to grow any of these? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more fascinating insights into the natural world.